Alright, YouTube. It is day, I don't know, 67 or some shit. Coronavirus outbreak, now turning into SARS, turning into inflammatory disease, getting after kids. And it's just making it really hard to get car parts. So today we're gonna do a garage update, okay? You know what cars we got, but we're gonna go through it again. If you don't like it, well, click off. Bye, see you, peace out. Don't need you. Don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you. Have a good one. But for those of you who are still with us, we got some parts in for Valkyrie. Hopefully this monstrosity they call a Colorado is going away soon. This little 3.5 liter 5 valve or 5 cylinder. Jesus Christ. It's just a piece.
It is.
We gotta be honest, it's a piece. It's finally, I think, about to go away. And with that going away, it's going to alleviate room in said garage. And when we have more room in there, well, we can start that rebuild of Valkyrie we've been talking about. So, we're gonna start off today talking about little Valkyrie, and well, we got some parts in. Don't get crazy. We got a lot of stuff on the way. We got a lot of work we need to do. But getting this damn Mustang the fuck out of my garage.
It's my garage too.
Getting this Mustang out of the way, getting it out here, getting her to actually drive her car again since nobody wanted it. And I want you guys to know right now, and she's gonna look at me crazy when I say this, we might be about to put a couple $1,000s into it. Don't think you're still getting it for 25 grand. You got me fucked up. You're gonna be paying 28 or 30 if we're doing all the work. That's just how the story goes. You want a project car? Cool, pick up a project car for what the price is. If you don't want to pay full price, cool, take over, get full work done. Otherwise, all the work's gonna get done and you're gonna pay a premium pimping. All right, so obviously this is the Mustang in question. So we're finally making a little bit of headway. We got the side skirts that are gonna be going back on. They are the original clinch side skirts, but my boy Marcus over in Linear Automotive is going to be taking some time and he's gonna be shaving them in. So what it's gonna do, so look how official this is with the hand. We're gonna go from here and we're gonna curve out to the wide body. So the car looks like it gets progressively wider. Shit be crazy like that sometimes. But after that's done, the next big thing to do is a color.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is where we kind of need your guys' help today. So comment below. The wheels aren't changing colors. The interior's not changing colors. We have carbon front fenders, and we have a big ass, holy shit, Subaru, fucking Supra, whatever the hell you want to call it, spoiler in the back. We're going. It's a wing. It's a picnic table that's made out of plastic.
I have sat underneath it. I got stuck, but I did sit underneath it. No, there's not pictures.
Fucking white people. Anyway, what would you do with this color combo? Remember the teal or the Tiffany blue? What's that color code?
Iced aqua.
Yeah, what the fuck you said. And then we got the interior, which is matching of the wheels. What would you do on the outside? The plan is to not paint the carbon. Obviously, we like carbon fiber. Shocker. And the rear wing's obviously not gonna get painted, but what would you guys do? Our initial thought right now is a satin black, or we just came up with the idea of a Nardo gloss gray. I think the Nardo would be dope.
We did see it on a Charger earlier today.
We did, with almost the same accent, and it was pretty bad.
It was sick. I liked it.
It was pretty bad.
I hadn't thought of that.
Yeah, but you guys will start seeing this thing get back out on the road here soon. I'm actually pretty excited about that because while I might talk shit about Mustangs, this thing kind of badass. Let's be honest. Okay, now to little old Valkyrie. Good Lord. So, obviously, we got her in the new garage. Her splitter, her stock hood. That's all underneath there. If you guys need a stock hood, let me know. But we made a couple headway of like what we're planning on doing here. One thing is, well, gonna go ahead and let this cat out the bag now because, well, it's gonna piss off the world. And, well, I'm good at that, so fuck it, right? This front bumper is coming off. We will be replacing it and getting rid of the fog lights with a dun 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 Hellcat front bumper because I know it's gonna piss some of y'all off and I don't give a fuck. If it pisses you off, have a faster car and beat me. That way you don't have to look at my front bumper. Anyway, we're also gonna pull out the coolant tank. We're gonna either get it sandblasted or to get it repainted. We haven't decided yet. And among other things that are getting pulled out, once the engine comes out, obviously valve covers. We're playing with the idea of wrinkle redding those. And then we might, you know, spray the block black. Obviously high heat enamels. Because, well, fuck it, we're in there. One of the big things that I'm looking to do too is, if you guys remember, if you've been on the channel for a while, you do remember, but before we had the outstanding rip catch can, my blow-off valve had a serious issue where we were getting too much oil blowback and it was shooting oil directly into the engine bay. When this tiny engine is out, my fat ass is gonna get in there and we're gonna clean up everything. We're gonna degrease everything and boom, 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 we're gonna get it spick and span again. That way I can wax y'all's asses while I look clean.
You know I'm gonna be the one sitting in that engine bay, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
So shit will get done.
I'm the tiny one.
Okay, so what parts did we get in? Oh lordy. Okay, so gear products, precision timing components. So we figured, hey, we're gonna rebuild an engine. Might as well do everything, right? We got new guides. We got new tensioners. Meh. We got all the chains. So we're gonna do a full timing chain replacement. This is also tensioner, what the fuck is this? Sure, whatever, it's part of the kit. This is the full kit to replace everything. We need a couple specialty tools. It is what it is. Start the drag numbers on here. This thing is in desperate, holy crap, need of a detail.
Don't even look at mine.
Oh god. Anyway, so timing chain's gonna be completely done. Should I go and tell them what else is on the way since, well, fuck it.
Sure.
Okay, so that's here. My boys over at Pro, talk to those guys. We're doing a full gasket replacement on absolutely everything. These are the gaskets that are in there. So we got the cylinder head, both cylinder heads, both intake manifolds, upper and lower, exhaust manifolds, valve cover left, right, spark plug, tube seals, valve stem seal, water outlet, thermostat, blah, 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 you get it. We're gonna replace everything in there too. We're also, Jesus Christ, we got main bearings on the way. We're also gonna be doing rod bearings as we switch the new rods. Obviously pistons and all that are gonna be happening. Other stuff that's on the way right now, I have, oh, I don't wanna tell them about the one thing. Yeah, I'm not telling about that yet.
Or the thing that might make you look prettier.
Yeah, we're playing with the idea of,
Something else.
You'll see.
Something in my world. Something in my world that will make her prettier. We'll leave it at that.
And there's a performance outlet to it where I'll be able to put more rubber on the ground too. That's really what the interesting part of it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sure.
So ARP head studs have been ordered from my guys over at 505 Performance. It is a Jeep product, but guess what? That 3.6 goes in the Jeep. Yeah, like I told you guys, there's a bit of a cheat code in order to get whatever parts you need for this car. It's look up Jeep parts. Works the same. If you don't believe me, well then show me you're faster than me. And until then, shut up. I'm trying to help you. Gaskets, cane. We got some parts coming from California. I'm not gonna tell you what that is. I'm just gonna show you when they get here. But while everybody thinks we've been bullshitting, we've put a whole house together. So it's been a little busy.
We got more furniture coming.
A lot more.
Hey.
Yeah,
The office is almost
She's
done.
gone a little Martha Stewart with the house. We'll have to do another projection of like where things are going because it's getting a little wild. We got custom tables on the
Are
way.
you complaining?
No, there's whiskey in the house and there's food. I'm fat and I'm happy. That's all I fucking need. It's literally that simple. Also, wheels. I am playing with the idea of a different wheel. Well, go ahead and put that in the comments too. Tell me what you think. Like, what wheel would you put on it? If you put Ferrata, I'm blocking you from the channel because hell no. But if you put any bullshit wheels, I would put Rohanas. No. I would put
Rockstar. XXRs, huh?
Ugh. XXRs. Just go away. You're not welcome here. But yeah, we're thinking about doing a different wheel setup just because, well, fuck it. We're still talking about ideas of getting all this put together. But the main point of today is we're not just sitting on our hands and bullshitting, guys. We're getting shit done. Also, I'm gonna put this out there. If you like this color, what's it called?
Vengeance Red.
Vengeance Red.
Like KPMF.
We have a full ass, how big is this roll?
It's 125 square feet.
125 square feet of this color.
So it's a roll and a half, technically.
If you guys want this roll, message me. I'm gonna put her on the spot right now, bottom dollar. What do you want for it?
600 bucks.
600 bucks. 600 bucks.
That's half price.
And she'll pay for shipping.
Or you can come pick it up if you're local. And not weird.
We'll tell you somewhere to come pick it up. You ain't going to my house.
Exactly. We'll meet you.
But yeah, we need to get this the hell out of here. We have too much stuff coming. We got a cherry picker. We're gonna pick up here soon because.
And we need shelves.
Yeah, we're pulling the engine. Flags gonna be going up in here. We just there's so much going on.
We gotta paint first.
Yeah, we're still gonna do that. In fine time. And I'm back in the office working now, so.
That sucks.
Yeah, I've been
I do work from home.
busy. Do I think we're gonna be staying in the office? No, I don't, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
Also too, for all you vloggers who watch my stuff, if you want a G7X kit, because I have a full camera, stand, the whole 9 yards, message me. We can talk about pricing. I don't use it, so it is what it is. I'm sure somebody else can get a use out of it, especially now that I have this new Vano white camera setup. But there it is, guys. We're here. We're still alive. We're getting it did. Just realized that with the coronavirus crap, it's
slow.
It's kind of slowed everything down. There's no events going on, so finding stuff to film for you is kind of an ad. It's just there's a dead end to it right now.
Oh, and let us know what you think of Tesla coming to Texas.
Yeah.
Because that's gonna be weird.
Oh, by the way, here, let me turn the camera around so I can say this.
Look like
Are you in the frame?
Yes, I look like crap.
Hey, anyway, what I want to end you guys with, my Cali friends, we will be out there the weekend of the 22nd, Memorial Weekend. We will be going up and visiting my boy Mike at MFR Engineering, like as soon as we get off the damn plane.
Pretty much, yeah.
So if you're in the area and you want to get together, I'm gonna be in a BMW 3 Series. It's gonna be hilarious because
or something similar. We'll see.
It's gonna be some bullshit. Watch. She probably fucked up. We're probably gonna be in a Fiat.
No, you told me I couldn't get a Yaris.
Yeah, because I have to.
I got you.
I have to sit in the middle of both seats.
I got you a Yaris for Iceland.
I have a. Oh God. Yeah, we're going to Iceland too. That's gonna be another vlog. If you don't like vlogs, go away. But here's the thing about those tiny cars, right? I've got a 54-inch chest. You guys can't tell right over a vlog how big I am. I'm not a small human being.
I'm 36 inches wide.
Yeah, and she's like my shoulder.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? So you get those little tiny cars, I gotta sit in the middle like fucking George Jetson to drive it, and it's just, his boy Elroy ain't fitting in the back. You know what I'm saying? So there it is, guys. If you're gonna be in Cali, let me know. Boom, we need to know a color.
Yes.
Do you like the satin black idea or do you like the Nardo gray idea? And then for Valkyrie, what do you guys think about a new wheel setup? What wheel would you put on it? Remember, I need something wide in the back so a staggered setup. I wanna see what you guys have to say. But there it is. Sorry for the lack of content. We're doing what we can do. I don't want to put up BS stuff, so I'm not gonna be...
Slow and steady wins races.
That's not true at all.
Yes, slow and steady, we build her and then she'll win races. More races than she already won.
I see what you're trying to do there.
You're welcome.
Good initiative, bad judgment.
It makes up for the lack of
Anywhere.
makeup and me looking like...
Like, share, subscribe, all that crazy shit.
Stay savage.